Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about the latest news about BTC, Nvidia earnings tonight, altcoins, Bitcoin price prediction. I'm going to show you what could be happening in the next few weeks. So hit the like button, subscribe because we post one video about crypto trading every single day. So if you are a trader, you are an investor, this is the right place to be. Guys, I would like to start today by showing you what's happening right now in the cryptocurrency world. Some senators has released this Bitcoin Act of 2024 to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve. This news over here, guys, is massive because they proposed the US government to pass a bill, the Senator Cinzia Loomis, to pass a bill where they're going to buy 200,000 Bitcoin every year for 5 years, so $1 million Bitcoin. And if this is going to pass, which of course we have to see if it's going to get the majority of the votes, that could be massive. Purchase of $200,000 per year over $1 million Bitcoin. Of course, guys, if they're going to buy $1 million Bitcoin, you can't even imagine what's going to be happening with the price. So they're going to be the first news of today, which is going to be very positive. Next one, guys, very important as well, is about the Nvidia earnings, which is going to happen tonight. I'm going to show you how this could actually affect the cryptocurrency markets, as we already talking on in the latest video. And I'm going to discuss also Nvidia price prediction, what could be happening with that. But now let's go into BTC and show you what's happening right now. So this structure over here, guys, looks very, very good for BTC. And I'm going to show you what kind of pattern I'm thinking it could play out in the next few weeks. And I'm also going to show you why you have to be careful. But before, guys, you can see that BTC has been moving around, up and down everywhere. And if you're not a trader, you probably bought at this level here. Now you're losing money. So what is very important, right, is the fact that you need to understand when to buy and when to sell. Like, for example, guys, in the VIP group, again, making incredible gains. Our members, we have trading calls, analysis, long term, short term. Here, playing a little bit with Solana, making like $400 in just like a few hours. But look, our members, guys, are making crazy results. If you want to be part of a community, if you're serious about learning how to trade crypto, but also you want to know the altcoins which are going to explode in this upcoming all season, guys, the VIP group is the way to come. You can see all of these coins over here, everything written with all the explanation of why you should invest in this coin. We have Bitcoin analysis and also altcoin analysis, everything in details every day. But now let's go back into BTC and show you what could be happening right now. From a technical point of view, a structure point of view, what I could be seeing right now is that Bitcoin is forming what we call an ascending triangle. Nobody can deny that BTC is pretty much touching these points over here. What is it doing right now? It's just going and touching. You can see this area here, this area here, this area here. And it's going to continue to do so until, of course, we are going to be seeing a proper breakdown of the structure over here. You can see that, for example, right now, the structure hasn't been broken. So if it's going to continue, what it can do, it can continue to go higher this way. So it can go this way and it can continue to do like this. So there is no reason right now to suggest that we are done with this movement. But at the same time, if you're going to see from here, what could be forming right now, Bitcoin is about, some people are saying has formed what we call a bullish pennant, which is this one over here. And now it's just retesting this breakout of the bullish pennant. Some people are saying that it has formed what we call an ascending triangle. So in general, if you see this ascending triangle from here and you want to calculate how high this could go to, what you can do, you can take this height of the triangle and put it over here at the point of the breakout. Maybe it could be like, around this area. And it brings you roughly a target of around $100,000. But on the other hand, if this is going to be, as I said before, this is probably a bullish pennant. What we could be seeing is this first impulse of the pennant, then next one is going to be a breakout like it happened right now, a retest, and then another push to the upside, which is going to bring us a target of roughly $110,000. Another scenario that you should also take into consideration is the following. As I said before, if we are going to see a breakdown of the structure over here, you're going to see breaking down, let's say $90,700, then we need to understand how low BTC could go. And I can show you exactly where it could go to. You can see that from here, guys. We have this previous structure over here was a previous channel. You can see the channel going like an ascending channel going from this area. We broke from this channel. And in general, what I could be expecting with BTC is the fact that we are going to see a retest of this upper channel, which it could be also matching with our Fibonacci retracement, could be happening maybe around the end of the week. So what we could be seeing if we're going to break this structure over here, we could be seeing something like this, try to go and climb back to this area, continuation down, and then another impulse to the upside. So 83,700 could be a very important level that we should everybody look at the moment if we're going to break from this area. But right now, guys, looks things good. You can't really say, right now from here, you're going to see a drop down to this area. Nobody can say that because, of course, the market is controlled by market makers. And we need to, first of all, see what's going to be happening. So we can either have a huge pump up to here and then dump this way, because I'm pretty sure around 100,000, 105,000, we should be seeing a more significant correction, or we're going to see a dump even from here and then up again. So that's going to be the scenarios with Bitcoin at the moment. Next one I want to show you guys, very important, is going to be Nvidia. Talking about Nvidia, about the earnings tonight. That's people are saying like, that there's going to be good earnings. We could be seeing Nvidia exploding. We're going to see bad earnings. It's probably going to go down again. But the only thing I can see from here right now, very similar to BTC, guys. Nvidia is pretty much following this channel over here. We can see like another line can be thrown around this area. And what we could be seeing if the results are going to come good, it will be a push to the upside, maybe reaching around 165, $166 to then, of course, have a more pronounced correction. But right now, again, don't be fooled that NVIDIA is so hyper-valued because theoretically, the market can stay irrational as much as you want. So if you're going to have a good results with Nvidia, I could be seeing another pump, pushing to the upside, and then of course have a correction after that. That's going to be important. Now, another thing I want to show you as well, guys, the S&P 500, very important because of course the stock market follows a little bit BTC. And you can see the stock market, the S&P 500 is into this potential rising wedge formation, which could be finding a top around the end of December, beginning of January, which is going to go and probably climb back up to this area over here around the 6,400, and then have a correction down to here. To then, of course, we don't know what's going to be happening after this. But at the same time, I could be seeing like a Christmas rally and continuation to go to the upside. Another reason why I'm very, very bullish, and it's very important, right, to understand everything about these macroeconomics events and all of that, guys, it's about the DXY. DXY, the dollar currency index, has a direct inverted correlation with Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. When this one goes down, usually crypto goes up. And right now you can see that we had a beautiful break to the upside with this DXY, which I wasn't expecting. But at the same time, guys, looks more, in my opinion, more of a corrective movement. And what I could be expecting could be the DXY to fall within this area over here sooner rather than later. Maybe I could be seeing maybe another climb up to here. In December, the Fed might cut interest rates again. Then we could be seeing the DXY to roll over, go down to this area around the 96 to 97. DXY, which is in general, if this goes down, is going to be very good for risk assets and Bitcoin and crypto as well. Next one I want to show you as well, guys, very important. It's going to be the US 10 years treasury yield. You can see I was posting this one, guys. I was posting a long time ago about this head and shoulder that's it broke to the downside. Now it's retesting, and then what I could be expecting, another continuation to the downside. Whenever this one goes down, US 10 years goes down, crypto and BTC goes up. So remember that this is going to be very good if you're going to start to see this, because why people are going to take money away from fixed income, put them into stocks and crypto, and then it's going to really help to pump to the upside. But thinking about Bitcoin again, guys, to give you another little I would say hint about BTC. I mean, looking at this chart, if somebody tells me that is bearish, I think is completely fully in sell. Bitcoin looks incredible, looks super, super bullish. And unless something is going to change, I think the bullishness is going to stay over here. I really can't tell you right now anything about finding a bad point around here around BTC. We can even see that we touched now the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement. Next level is going to be around 120,000 at 2.618, which could be in conjunction as well with this one over here, with the previous all-time high in 2017, all-time high in 2021, and we could be seeing if it's going to actually follow this pathway over here, a price of roughly $120,000 Bitcoin by roughly February, March 2025, and that would definitely make sense, because even if you take this one from here to here and then in position from here, look at the precision, guys. Look at how precise sometimes crypto can be. If you take this one over here, this from October to March brings you over here. If you also take this another fractal from October to I think it was like April in 2020, you apply this one over here as well, brings you exactly to the tip 2.618 Fibonacci, 120k. So I really can see BTC to reach this level. And what we could be seeing from here, then of course it's not going to probably go up in a straight line. We could be seeing maybe some sell off around 100,000, go down to this area 82, 83, and then another impulse to the upside. But of course, guys, what is very important, right? You always have to be aware of the market condition. You always have to aware what's happening right now, because opportunities are going to be everywhere. Like for example, guys, in our VIP this morning, we were talking about Solana, long in Solana, and what you can do every day in this current market, right? It's quite easy to make money. That's why in the VIP, guys, we know we are all over here. You can see myself calling for a Solana trade over here, making 126, 429. Like really, it's such a good condition right now to trade in the market, and you can really make lots of money. But otherwise, guys, good luck tonight with Nvidia. Just remember that Nvidia could be going either way. Don't just go and thinking that it's gonna go higher. So be very careful. But of course, if it's gonna go well, all the AI coins are gonna go completely ballistic, and we're gonna see fireworks from here. But otherwise, I really wish you an amazing day, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow for another video. Take care, and I'm gonna see you soon.